In this video, I'm going to explain the basics of the 2 goals ahead early payout offer. I'll show you how it works, a few examples, and how you can profit from doing this as well. Hey guys, The Frugal Life here, back with another video. This channel is all about teaching you how to get started with match betting and showing some personal finance tips. If you like this sort of thing, give the video a like and hit that subscribe button so you keep up to date with all the latest videos. So, you're still doing the reload offers where you can make money, but you've exhausted all of the sign-up offers where you can guarantee profit. But now you're hungry for more and you want to explore some more advanced match betting offers, and you've stumbled across this thing called 2UP. One of the reasons why 2UP is so popular among match bettors is that the potential winnings are pretty much unlimited. You can do this as much or as little as you like, and you can do as many attempts as you want. And there's no cap on your winnings when compared to a bet X, get X offer. So how does the 2UP or 2 goals ahead early payout offer work? With this promotion at the bookmaker, if you back a team to win and they go 2 goals ahead at any point during the game, that could be 2-0, 3-1, 4-2, whatever, you'll trigger the early payout offer and your bet will be paid out as a winner no matter the final result. That's how the promotion works. However, when we get matched betting involved, things are a little bit more interesting. If we also place the lay bet against that same team, and after going 2UP they didn't win the game, they went on to draw or lose, that means our back bet would have been paid out early because of the 2UP offer, but our lay bets would win as well because the team didn't end up winning the game in the end. That's pretty much the basic concept of the offer. As far as I'm aware, this promotion is only held at Bet365 and Paddy Power. This offer isn't available on all games, but it is available on all the big leagues and some of the high-profile cup matches. So let's have a look at an example from the other day. Southampton versus Man United, a great example of a 2UP. So to start things off, this was a Premier League game, so it already qualified for the early payout offer. On Bet365, you place a £60 back bet on Southampton to win at odds of 3.8. And then on a betting exchange like Smarkets, you place a £57.72 lay bet against Southampton winning at odds of 3.95. The final result was 3-2 to Man United, but the order of the goals is very important. Southampton are the first to score, and they score a second goal shortly after that. This put them 2 goals ahead, triggering the early payout offer. So now at Bet365, your back bet on Southampton has been paid out early, and it doesn't matter what happens during the rest of the game. So with a basic 2UP strategy, you're hoping for Man United to have a comeback and pull back at least 2 goals and to finish the game. Thankfully, Man United score, bringing the game to 2-1. Manchester United then pull back a second goal, and now the score is 2-2. So if the game finishes in its current state, that means our back bet would have won and our lay bet would have won as well. Man United ended up scoring a third one just for good measure. So with the game finished, with Southampton losing at 2-3, looking at Bet365 on the bookmaker side of things, we made £168 profit. And when looking at the betting exchange, we made a profit of £57.72 because of that lay bet against Southampton. And between the two, that gives a total profit of £225. Remember, on the betting exchange, your lay bet gets paid out if your team draws or loses. So if the final score was 2-2 and Southampton drew, you would still make £225 because that lay bet still would have won. Because of how close the back and lay odds were, all I was risking, my qualifying loss, was £2.27. That's the worst case scenario, but we'll get onto qualifying losses later. This is an example of a full turnaround. There are other strategies where after your team goes 2 goals ahead, you can cash out and that sort of thing, but we'll save that for another video. With that explanation out of the way, this is very different to your standard bet X, get X offer. Profits from 2UPs are not guaranteed. That's why it's important to make sure that you have low qualifying losses or only risking a small amount. In this Southampton example, worst case scenario, I would have lost £2.27. If Southampton won the game, but they never went 2 goals ahead, I'd make a profit at Bet365, a loss at Smarkets, but when looking at the difference between the two, I'd make a £2.27 loss. So a similar sort of thing if Southampton never went 2 goals ahead, but they drew or they lost. My back bet at Bet365 would lose, but my lay bet at Smarkets would win. And the difference between those two is £2.27 again. So with the potential of making £225, I'm very comfortable with the £2 qualifying loss. The higher the back and lay odds are, and the closer that they are together, means you can make more potential returns, even with a small qualifying loss. If the back and lay odds are the same, and you're not charged any commission, you can essentially do the offer for free, and you have a 0 pence qualifying loss. A decent example would be just like that Southampton one, having a £2 to £3 qualifying loss to make a couple £100. But don't go for the poor matches where you have a higher qualifying loss, but your potential return returns aren't even that high. I want to stress that you should not expect these 2-ups to be triggered all of the time. It's quite the opposite. You need to ensure that your 2-ups have low qualifying losses with an amount that you're comfortable with, and you really should be prepared for streaks of unsuccessful attempts. If you only go for good matches where you have low qualifying losses but high potential returns, only one 2-up win will outweigh a whole bunch of losses and then some. If you're a beginner to match betting and you're just figuring things out, I'd recommend that you don't do 2-ups just quite yet. You should learn more, smash out all the welcome offers, do a few reloads, and then after all of that, this is a great offer to do continuously. In my next video, I'll show you exactly what I look for when searching for 2-ups. I'll show you my 2-up strategy, but I'll also show you what other people are doing so you can pick and choose what works best for you. If you'd prefer, OddsMonkey have a written guide for 2-ups as well as a bunch of other match betting tutorials. I'll have a link to their free trial in the description below. Follow my Instagram account @TheFrugalLife where I'll highlight the best match betting offers. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this that will help you with your money. And if you learned something new today or found the video interesting, give the video a like and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching everyone, good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.